Hey guys, what's up? And I want to show you something really cool. So this is the biggest Lego gun I have ever built. And when I say this isn't clickbait, because seriously, this thing is exactly 2'7". It's a World War II rifle. Are you ready for the review? Would you look at that? This thing is absolutely massive. If I had to estimate, I would say around 1,000 pieces. It has a really tiny magazine that you put in there. You prime it, pull this thing down, then you could aim and fire. So, let me show you the sight. Well, it's black on black, but I'll show you. So what I did is I took this piece that has a hole in it, and then I took these, and I took a straw piece. That's what I like to call them. And I kind of just put them like that, straighten them out, and then I put it on the front of the rifle. So that's kind of just the sight. This back wheel thing is kind of just for decoration. Now, you might be like, whoa, this thing is absolutely massive. Well, you want me to show you how small this thing really is? Yeah. Weird Lego piece. Come on, weird Lego piece, help me. There we go, pried it off. That's the front. This is the front barrel, and it's absolutely huge. Okay, now it's time for me to finally show you how big this thing actually is. Yeah, it's actually super tiny. Get off. It's actually extremely tiny. This could be like a mini shotgun. Like, I'm not even kidding. This thing is so tiny. So, this is the front barrel, and this is the stock. The barrel's huge, and it only took me like 15 minutes to make. I don't know, something like that. Like, this thing is actually super tiny, and I made it at my grandma's house. I was like, dang, this thing is super huge. If I showed that to myself like 3 days ago, when I actually made this, I would have been like, huh? How is that 2'7"? So with the stock, it just looks kind of weird. But then once you add the barrel, it just looks so insane. I'm just snap it in there. And then pop this thing in. Get in there. Come on, I don't want to watch. I don't think that people would want to watch me struggling to try to put the roof of a Lego gun on. Ugh. There we go. There we go. So yeah, I pretty much have made a World War II rifle. I can't say for sure because I don't think that they have this. Maybe they do. I don't know. But just to completely show, make this thing look down. Oh my god, I'm gonna run out of space on the table. That's okay. 2'7". Oh man, it's upside down. Well, that's just to prove that it's 2'7". 25 feet. It's a big tape roller for sure. 'Cause I bet that in total it took me around, I don't even know how many hours. Like seriously, this is not as on camera. It might look just absolutely massive. In real life, it's pretty massive too. Cause like, imagine being a soldier and then just holding this. And my mom just laughed. Yay, now that I know that I'm funny, I can shoot the camera. And also, I want to show every single Lego gun that I have right now. Let me go get them. Okay, I'm back. I just needed to get some things. Which is the 3 other Lego guns that I have right now. So I want to start off with this one. I'm pretty sure that I already made a review, but I have upgraded it a little bit. Made this thing a little bit shorter. And I actually have a safety lever. So let's just pretend that you wouldn't be able to shoot it. Okay. Next up we have the Bodyguard 380. This thing is a super tiny little gun. Just take the magazine, put it in there, then it's loaded. Like none of these guns actually work. So yeah, you might be like, what the heck is this? And where's the magazine? Magazine is curved and goes in the back. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. But there is a Nerf gun called the Nerf Raven. That's where I got this idea from. So, I have 4 huge Lego guns to my name.
Yo te pregunté una vez, los hierros esos que ustedes usaban
see you
para la...
later.